Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video by Bodycam Files, and it is titled, "What Happens When You Won't Pay for Your Motel?" Man, I know times is tough nowadays, but come on now. We gotta pay our debts, man. We gotta pay our bills. You know what I mean? Let's get into it.
You don't have an active lease here, correct?
No, I want you guys to arrest me because you're going to look really bad. You need to show how stupid you guys are.
You're not in handcuffs, if that's your opinion, cool.
Yeah, well, I think you're pretty stupid. I'm an MD, PhD, I'm a doctor.
Okay, that's fine. I didn't ask for your educational background, okay?
It doesn't matter.
Okay, they want him gone, but he's saying he's lived here for 2 years. This is a motel, correct?
Yeah, it's a motel. It doesn't matter. He has to have a leasing agreement.
No, I don't.
Because it's a month-to-month thing. If he pays by the month, if he pays by the week, he pays by the day.
Okay, throw me out. Take me to gun club. I'm okay.
So right now, you don't have a lease here, you don't live here, you pay by night, correct?
Cash money every week.
So Deborah's requesting that you leave the property now. And she also wants you trespass from here, okay?
Can't do it. I've done nothing to...
Let's confirm it with her.
No, you confirm it with the owner.
Are you Deborah?
Yes, sir.
Okay. My partner talked to you, but I want to get some information. So how long has this guy been here?
He's been here a while.
He was never provided a leasing agreement, or he was? Like, what's his status here?
When you come here, you can either pay us by the day or pay us by the week. So long as you're not causing a problem and you pay your rent on time, you don't trash the room, you can stay.
Okay, and when was the last time you guys requested payment and he didn't pay you guys?
It was due yesterday. He was out of his mind yesterday. I asked for it this morning. I said it was due yesterday. You need to pay it today.
What was the amount?
$5.95.
$5.95. Obviously, at this point, I think my partner said you wanted him trespassed also?
Yes, please.
Thank you. I just spoke to Miss Deborah, okay?
You haven't spoken to the owner, sir.
This is a hotel. You can either pay weekly or daily, all right?
Which I do.
You can't establish residency at a hotel, okay?
I'm not.
She asked you for payment yesterday. You didn't provide payment.
She did not.
She asked you for payment today. You did not, okay?
How did you
So at this point, you're being asked to leave the premises.
Come on, man. He too old to be acting like this, dog. Like, you cannot be acting like this. I don't know what's going on in his personal life for him to want to stay at a motel, but I mean, it's no problem if you pay the money. Why aren't you paying the money? Like, what's going on? Like, he should know better, man. You way too old to be acting like this. Maybe this is for the younger guys, you know what I'm saying? But you too, come on now. You got to get it together now. I know you got a retirement check or something. You got to have something going on for you, man.
Okay?
He does the same thing.
So at this point, the West Palm Beach police officer is asking you to grab your belongings and willingly leave the property because she does not want you here.
Well, I'm not leaving. Go get the handcuffs.
So you have to leave.
Go get the handcuffs.
Okay.
Yeah, act right. Act right. You thought this was a game? You gonna get you right, boy. Act right, boy. What you thought this was? We ain't playing with you.
No, you just caught another charge, man.
You got the body cam on?
Oh, yeah.
Good.
My body camera asked you to leave.
And then you see you aggressively throw me on the ground after I had shown no signs of being aggressive.
When we're trying to place you under arrest and you pull away like that?
I didn't pull away.
That's called resisting.
I did not pull away.
Okay.
You approached me.
All right, ready? We're going to stand you up. 1, 2, 3.
I'm not influenced by your...
You made your decision. This is the outcome.
No, you're trying to represent dominance. You're like a big dog. You want to represent... You'd like to pee on me if you could. That just doesn't work. I'm too smart for that.
You have a...
Man, you ain't that smart, man. Act right, man. We asked you to leave. You ain't want to leave. Okay, we gonna get you to leave now. You think this is a game, huh? Yeah, yes, sir.
specific pair of shoes or sandals or something? Okay.
No, I'm trying to get your shoes and shirt on. I want your sweaty stuff on. I'm making my car all steak and dirty.
If you guys hadn't attacked me, I wouldn't be so sweaty.
Okay.
I never made an aggressive move other than challenging your intelligence. And that's probably the biggest offense that I ever made. I never challenged you physically. I challenged you mentally, and you can't handle the truth. You know, I know Keeper Sutherland, his dad, Don just died.
I hope you get the help you need, man.
Yeah, I need a lawyer to sue you. Start looking on Indeed for other employment like a McDonald's, because you're not going to get any kind of position with security in it.
Okay.
I should never have been arrested. Should have tried to manage the situation, taking an easy way out, because now you look like strong guys. You got to play that part. I wish you.
He said, I should have never been arrested. You should have managed the situation. Look, it's pretty cut and dry. It's pretty simple, man. Listen, your bill was due yesterday. You didn't pay your bill. They're asking you to leave. You don't want to leave? Well, we're going to make you leave. We're going to make a new home for you, man. You ain't got to worry about staying in that motel. We got a nice, comfortable metal bed for you, man.
You thought I was going to get aggressive so you could shoot me, but unfortunately I didn't have a gun. I wasn't approaching you, so you couldn't pull out your weapon, but at least you were able to arrest. Instead of developing your intellectual technologies and being able to question properly and evaluate and reduce the intensity in a situation caused by very low intelligent people who were challenged when I apologized to her of my behavior. I showed up yesterday to make a payment on Thursday after we were supposed to have a party here that I was funded. I mean, this is going to be pretty hard to defend, okay? We're buddies until today. No, but you use this to search the thing for drugs and alcohol so you have some defense. Nice way to break.
You want to slip your shoes on?
And you look through my wallet, you find any money? There was $500 in there. Okay. And it's gone when I come back. It must have been you.
Perfect. Everything's all on body camera. Okay?
Good. Okay, good. So it shows you breaking my civil rights. I'm searched without a warrant.
Good. They didn't search anything. You got your clothes.
You walked into my apartment without my approval. You removed me from the scene so you
It's not your apartment anymore.
I would paid for it.
You've been kicked out. You didn't provide payment. Get in the car.
I'm trying.
Okay. I'm not talking. Get in the car. I'm holding you.
Can you get the EMTs?
I'm holding you.
Can you get the EMTs? I'm a little dizzy. My heart's palpitating because I'm old.
Step this foot up first.
Okay, at least sit down so you can relax, and there's some AC in there. So turn to your hips and sit down first.
Did she tell you I had a hydration attack yesterday?
Relax.
And that's
You're
why
all over the place.
I had a hydration attack yesterday.
Lean back.
It was hot.
Lean back. Lean back.
You stupid people.
All right, get in the car, man.
You think this is the way to deal with people, don't you? Okay. I haven't done this before. I've got money to cover bail in my house. I'll probably just get OR, right?
Nope.
What? I'll get OR. I haven't done anything wrong.
You're not going to get OR. The county got rid of that. You're going to stay there all day. You'll see a judge first thing tomorrow morning.
That's my timeout. That's your guys' way of saying, we're going to make you smell of this thing that we have to live in.
They didn't make you do anything. You made the choice you made. So don't stop trying to blame everybody. Blame yourself. Blame yourself. Blame yourself. We didn't do anything. We asked you politely.
Fill out the report correctly, House. Maybe you get a...
I sure am.
All right, House.
I sure am.
Get you guys all stoked up on steroids and pumped up and all testosterone hostile. You go out and you have to use that testosterone up. You gotta find somebody to wrestle. So you pick on a 67-year-old man. That's brave. I want to see that right up on CNN and Fox News. The bravery of these men being able to wrestle down to the ground a 67-year-old man, potentially overweight. Definitely doesn't show any signs of working out. They believe that.
Yeah, that's probably something I need to confess.
That's crazy.
Right inside, all right?
Okay.
You do that?
Yep.
There you go. Place your foot inside, please.
Yeah. Oh, it's... Thank you. Thanks, man.
No problem.
Okay. I appreciate it. Thank you. Now can we get the gun club? I won't move from the... I'll be perfectly still until we get the gun club.
The suspect was charged with trespassing along with resisting an officer.
Yeah, once again, all this was uncalled for. Like, literally, like, I don't even understand this. Like, you said that you got $500 in your wallet, but you ain't want to pay the thing. Like, come on, man. I swear, people get arrested for the dumbest reasons, bruh.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.